So you will all be wondering what is the benefit of aloe vera. Might be some of you will be knowing and some of you might be using this aloe vera for your hair wash or skin routine. So as we talk about benefits related to skin, it can help if you are like you think that I am getting aging quite fast, I am getting old quite fast. So you can use this aloe vera as stopping your aging skin, or if you have a dry skin you can also use it for just countering your dry skin. And you can see as I'm having quite of dark circles, so I'm also using this aloe vera so that my dark circles can also get reduced. Moreover, if you have it used to eliminate dead skin also. So you might be peeling this aloe vera wrong, or you don't know how to peel this aloe vera. So I'm gonna teach you how to peel this aloe vera in this video. So stay tuned. Hi everyone. So it was a quite time like I haven't uploaded a long video, so I thought of now making a video of what like right now I was peeling off this aloe vera. So I thought of making a video and telling you how you can peel it off if you want. And because I was having ample of aloe vera right now, and my mom wished to use it in hair and to for face pack and all. So I'm not gonna tell you how to make a face pack and all, but I can tell you how you can peel it off easily without like wasting aloe vera. So here it go. So first of all, take a strip of aloe vera. As you can see, it's quite long, so we will cut it in half so that we can easily peel it off. And second thing, you need a knife, like a sharp one, not that sharp, but yeah, it should be sharp. And the third is a fork. Why? Because when we'll be peeling it off, we can just scrape it off easily. Or you can use knife only if you don't have a fork to just taking out the aloe vera. So I have already for you just I have what I can say peeled off a few of the aloe vera strips. So right now I'm gonna teach you how. So first of all, just you can see this area up here. You just cut it out so that this kind of waste just get out. Then the end portion, because it will not give anything to us, like anything useful to us. Then you can see these thorns right here, like these kind of thorns. So first what we do, we will just slide over, and then we will just cut it out. You can see as this area has been cleaned up. Now same for the second side. Now the second side is also cleaned and this side is also cleaned. We will cut it in half because I want to show you the small, so that it will be easy for us to just scrape it out. Then the thinnest layer, this side, as you can see from this is the straight portion. So we will try to just peel this side out and leave the aloe vera with the just C-shaped, or we can say the back portion of it. Just slightly put a knife inside it and slowly. Just make sure that only the scrap is out. Okay. So as these two portions are, see, the aloe vera is still inside this, and this is just a peel. So to make sure that there is nothing left in this, we will try to just scrap it out. As you can see, the aloe vera is coming out. Oh, if you will press it too hard, it might get break, as it happened in my case, but there was nothing in it I can useful in, so I will just throw it up. So when it's come to the second portion, which has a maximum aloe vera content in it, so what you can do, just slide it out. Make sure that knife go deep inside it, but not too deep that it might cut or it pass through the other portion. Otherwise you can cut your hands. Then, like cutting it perpendicular, make sure your fingers are safe enough. Then a little bit of sideways, because it will help to get easily, it will help aloe vera to come out easily. As you can see, it's already coming out. So we will just hold it in a perfect shape, then just slowly pull it out. see, as you can see, there is now no aloe vera left in it. Now we will just throw it, or you can also use it as a manure if you will just use these scraps, or I can say use these leaves or the skin of the aloe vera in for decomposing and all things. I will just wash my hands because it look very disgusting. Like you will for a sometime you will feel like what it is and how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna show you how it is. So as I've taken in this in a bowl like surface, so you will see a thick layer of it. You can also use it in blender to just mix it up and make it more smoother so that you can use it on your face, or I can say to use in on your hairs. So I guess this was an uncut video for me. From my side, I think this will be an uncut video because I don't have time, because it's Diwali time. And stay tuned, stay happy and celebrate Diwali.